Hi everybody, I'm Erika from Write It Down Books, and I want to quick tell you what happened because you're probably coming to my shop and you're wondering like, why is it closed? What do you mean I can't get my planner for the upcoming year? And you can, just a little differently. So what happened was I injured myself exercising in the spring. It would not have been as bad if I hadn't worn the muscles down uh, in my body from punching thousands of pages a day. And I mean, I thank you. I'm so grateful that I had that kind of business. And it's all because of you. And thank you. Unfortunately, it took me a long time to recover. I'm actually still not fully recovered, but I'm better. I'm able to dust and I'm able to fold and I can walk, long distances. And it was just a real stinker of a summer. Um, so I had to make the decision. I really postponed it because I didn't want to face the truth that I wouldn't be able to punch and make the planners anymore. In August, I decided to go to printables because I needed a planner. I plan September through August. I model my kids' school year, and every August I sit and I write down all their dates, and everything that's going to happen. And I didn't have a planner, and I needed to figure out what to do. So I immersed myself in the world of printables and ring bound organizers. And I have to say, I wish I'd done it earlier. Back in February, I wanted to get into offering printables because I like it. I like the flexibility they have to offer. But I didn't have any time to design because I was so busy just making planners every day. And so I guess this was my way. I mean, now I'm injured and now I had to do it. So I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here's what happened. I'm choosing the A5 slash half letter size planner. It's I'll just tell you, half letter is 5.5 by 8.5, but the A5 is 5.8 by 8.2. I have to look, I have it written down. I'm using Filofax Malden, and I'm a leather junkie in general, and I love this planner more than anything. So first of all, let's just back up like 25 paces here. I don't expect you to be running out and buying a $100 organizer. You're probably just wondering, what am I going to do with the printables? So right now I'm almost ready to launch. I'm going to have a horizontal weekly planner, and I'm going to have a daily planner and a monthly planner, and I'm going to have so many. I have probably 60 or so printables that I just have to finish up and just push out. But I want to open with something because it's almost January and I know you guys need to plan. You're going to really love it. So I'm getting a lot of questions like, what do I do? Okay, so here's how printables work, just in case you're new to it. I'm going to sell a file online that I've already designed. The minute you pay, you're going to get that file sent to you digitally. It's going to go right into your Etsy account. Like, you're going to click, it's going to take like 1 minute, and then it'll appear, and then it'll be on your computer. You just have to download it using Adobe, and then you own it, and you can print it as many times as you want on whatever paper you want. I always use the 28-pound paper from Staples. That's the paper you've come to know and love. Then you're just going to cut it. You're going to print it. So this is what this is my January. This is just a few months of January. It's going to come on a letter-sized sheet when you print it, like this, and then you're going to cut it. So it's designed, all of my planners now are designed for A5 or half letter, okay? I'm going to make a separate video talking about size because I had a very difficult time figuring this out. It'll work for both. If you just print it the way I tell you to in the instructions, and then you can cut it, it'll fit into your A5 planner or your half letter planner. It works in the Filofax. It works in, this is a Emily Lee. binder. It'll work. This is a date timer. No, who is this? Oh, this is my daughter's. She got this at Target, I believe for like $25. It's, I don't remember the brand, but this is an A5. So, you know, it'll work. Here's another Filofax. And then here is date timer. There's many different price points, many different types of organizers that you can buy. You can go to Michael's, you can go to Target, Staples, Office Max. The size you're looking for is A5 or half letter. Half letter is 5.5, again by 8.5 inches. I suggest, I know you want to, you know, keep using my planners. So I suggest a small investment to just kind of get the ball rolling, you know. Find something that you like. There's, you know, so many different, you can get bright colors, you can get black, brown. The possibilities are just unbelievable. Get used to it. And then you can always save up for a Filofax or whoever, Kiki K, whoever, whatever tickles your fancy then from here on out. Once you get the hang of it, it's so easy to do printables. I know it's really easy to just buy a planner and boom, open the box and it's ready to go. But if you do want to keep, you know, using my deluxe daily or my monthly planner, and my new weekly planner is actually pretty cool. The initial investment, it shouldn't be that much. You just need paper cutter, paper trimmer, because you'll need to trim the pages, and then a punch. Now, so again, you're going to print my planner, whatever one you choose. You'll cut it. I do not put cut lines because you can decide what kind of margin you want based on your size organizer that you buy, which is why it's working for both, which is why my printables are working for both sizes. Then you're just gonna punch it. Now, this is where's my punch? So Michael's sells this A5 punch. I believe I paid $25 for this. Maybe not even that much. It was cheap. It wasn't that expensive. And I punch 8 pages of computer paper or 4 to 5 pages of 28-pound paper at a time. And it works great. I mean, I absolutely love it. I am not punching an entire year. What I do is I have all of my months punched and ready to go because I plan monthly. And then I take what's in my month and then transfer it to my week or my daily pages. So I always have just the months in here, and then every month I add 4 more weeks, 4 more weeks, 4 more weeks. So that way it's not just overwhelming, you know, so that way you're not sitting there punching, you know, a couple hundred pages. Anyway, oh, I love this planner. I also have designed tabs, and I will show that in another video. And then there's going to be lots and lots of extras, you know, notes, dot grid, address pages, meeting notes, finances, everything. It's going to be pretty awesome. I hope you embrace printables. It's so much fun. One of my favorite things about switching to the printables is that I'm able to reprint pages if I make a mistake. I just like that. It's nice. You know, you have this beautiful planner, you know, that, you know, in a ring or in a bound planner, and then, you know, you record all the dates and then things change or your vacation changes or something, and you're just sitting there and you're like, oh, I either have to use whiteout or a sticker or, you know, just cross it off. This way you just reprint the page and, you know, you start fresh. So I love it. I love carrying this with me. It's so pretty. I have, you know, pens. It has card slots. I'm not using it right now, but the Malden has like most of them do, like a spot for a notepad. But I have my 12 months in my planner, and then I have 6 extra sections that I have created for notes, you know, lists, whatever, you name it. I'm so loving the printable life right now. And I really hope that you do too. If you don't think you're crafty or handy, trust me, I'm not. Okay. I'm digitally crafty. I'm not very paper, um, you know, I don't know. I'm just not. And so I was a little hesitant that I would like this, and I absolutely love it. All you have to do is cut it, punch it, and boom, and then you can use one of these planners too. I promise you'll love it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Oh, one more thing. I do know I've been getting a lot of questions as far as where to, if you don't print, um, you can always take it to like a Staples or a copier or copy center, and they can print the PDF for you. It's probably going to cost though. If you can at all try to print it at home, that would just lower your costs tremendously. Um, that's my recommendation. But I mean, if you don't mind, you can totally go get a quote, and then they can print it for you. They probably even cut it for you. So I again thank you for your patience. I hope you like the printable life as much as I have come to love it. I will be starting to launch products very, very soon. And then, yes, I will be adding more and more and more and more and more because I won't be spending my days punching and binding planners. I'm going to be spending my days designing more and more product. I will be making a lot more videos, how-tos and things like that, but I wanted to get this out there because I'm getting so many questions about what to do. So I hope this answers. I hope, I'm not so good with the videos, but anyway, I thank you for your business, and I look forward to, having you join me on this printable journey together. So have a great day, and thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.